Jackson. 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 Hey. Hello. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. I got some trains to play with. Jackson's trains. And soccer balls in the house. And the TV's on. And Go Dog Go is on.
I'm just going to put my mascara on and then
Hello! Oh, the trains are all set up for you, kiddo. We're gonna have so much fun. You know that? All the toys are up.
Yeah.
Okay? And we're gonna play? Is that okay?
Alright.
I gotta get the stuff in. I gotta help get the stuff in first, okay? Okay. You were sleeping. You silly. I gotta see if there's any more stuff to bring in, okay? Let's go in the house. Is that okay? Do you remember how to go in?
Yeah.
All right, you show me.
I don't know how to open doors.
Open this. And go ahead, hon. Go. Right. Wow, look at all that.
I have to get my shoes.
Okay. It's going to build up some speed. And it's going to go under Jackson's fridge. Whoa! Here it comes again. Here it comes again. Yeah. Want it to stop now?
Yeah.
All right, wait a minute. Let me put it out of the way. There. Is that okay?
Goodbye.
Now you're going to play with the pickup truck? That looks just like your dad's truck, except it's black.
Good.
See the pickup truck?
What's this? Kind of.
I'll show you that in a second.
How did they build Boston?
I was just seeing if you were paying attention. Anything.
Here.
Agatha.
Okay, my turn to tell the story.
And this big foot.
She
Okay.
worked on this steam engine until she found
That would hold a lot of people in the back, wouldn't it?
The problem. There's a loose rope between the spinning shop and the kettle mom.
lo and behold, the engine started.
Whoa, Agatha. How did you?
I'm gonna be having white.
Uh-huh.
What I do. Now make sure those dogs don't eat Boston. Lee and Thunder.
That's right. We're your arch Nephilim. Arch Nephilim. Sesame.
We're the bad guys. They call me Thunder because I'm loud. Like thunder.
And they call
And what did you say? Are you ready to go to the park?
Yeah.
Anybody else ready?
Emmett.
Emmett's ready too?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay. Okay.
We both have to hold on.
Okay. It's gonna be hard because I have Emmett on my one side. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Does Emmett look like he's having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you can bounce. That's how you can bounce.
Should we go harder? Should
Yeah.
we go faster?
Yeah. I gotta get off.
You want-
Dinosaur. The dinosaur. It's a T-Rex.
Hmm?
Roar!
Yeah, wait a second.
Roar! Roar! There.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, you want me to get there?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you go first for a minute.
Your turn?
My turn now? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Are
Hold
you
on. Hold on a
hold?
second. Hold on. Okay.
Me. It's the. Yeah, remember you have to hold on.
I got hold. You're holding on tight, I hope.
And hold on. And hold it on.
Good.
And stop.
Should I stop?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me see you do it.
It's a big fly.
Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good job.
Your turn to go down.
Well,
the
I can't go with him in my arms, honey.
What?
But I'll watch you do it. Okay?
Let's go over there now.
All right, let me see you go down first. Then I'll climb up.
This one, let's go.
All right, let me see.
Down for Walmart.
Okay, let me see. 1, 2. Whoa. Good job.
It's so wet.
Good job. That was wet?
Yeah.
That's okay.
I don't like it.
Okay, then get off it. Let's see. Are you sure that's from the water?
Yeah.
You didn't pee your pants, did you?
No. This.
Okay.
It
Okay.
was.
All right. Okay. All right. You can keep
that-
playing. You can keep playing.
Let's go back. Look.
Okay.
Oh, this one. You do better. This one, the top is.
Is it wet too?
Yeah.
That one's wet?
All on the top.
On the top? Let me see.
Feel. Let's feel.
Oh, I see it. You know what? I'm gonna get the towel for you to dry it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, nice and clean.
How about the other side? How about the other side? You have to clean that too?
Wait, the top up there.
Okay. All right.
I had to set down.
All right. All right. Clean the top off.
I gotta go on the top. I will be right down.
All right. Hurry up.
Now on this side, right here,
Okay.
right over here.
All right.
Wait, I gotta go on top.
Okay.
This way.
All right. Go down with your towel. Oh yeah. Dry it off first. Is it all drying off? Is all the water coming off?
Yeah.
Good job. All right. Go down with the towel. Go ahead. Down the sliding board.
This one will go down this one.
All right. Don't get the towel in the dirt. Good job. You're dragging the towel though in the dirt.
What? Where?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm hungry.
Do you like your snack?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see. Got peanut butter crackers and milk, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now I'm gonna give Emmett his bottle, okay?
Where's this bottle?
I have it here. I saved it
Where?
inside the bag.
Oh.
All right. There we go. There we go.
How about I am full?
You're full? Okay.
How about we go back? Come on.
I gotta feed your brother first. Jackson, they're Mr. Potato Head's glasses, not yours. You silly. Jackson. Jackson, you look silly. Look at you. Go ahead, put them on. Let me see, put them on. Okay, that's a frog. That's some kind of dinosaur.
Tear that top.
Uh-oh, you knocked one off.
I can do this better. Okay?
Okay,
I will do that better.
okay.
Because that's my favorite deer. This is my favorite deer. Ta-da!
Good job. No, you can't go up there. We'll wake up your brother.
I know some. I gotta do the new one now.
Okay.
I want to get the small one now. The play.
Okay.
Go. Faster! Faster!
Wait a second. You didn't do that by yourself, did you? Jackson. You did that all by yourself?
Yeah.
Are you telling me the truth?
Yeah.
That is fantastic.
But that's right, my dad.
How did you do such a good job?
That's right, my daddy.
Wow.
And that's right, daddy. And that's right, daddy, and I can both stuff.
That is great. Wow, you did a good job. I can't believe how good you did.
Wait, let's read books. Let's read books. Let's read books. Okay? Let's read books.
Food should be coming soon.
What kind of food do you have there?
It's a French fry.
Chicken, French fries, ketchup, a green crown.
What kind of cars do you have?
I have lots of cars.
Lots of cars? Are they little or are they big?
No, small.
Oh, they're
And I have swap.
they're small?
And I have swap.
Tiny little cars? Do they run? Do they work?
Yeah.
With wheels? They have wheels? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
But
Do you put them on the train tracks? No, right?
You did today.
You did.
yeah. But I did today.
You did.
Today.
Give me another one. It's coming, kid. It's coming.
We got purple ones this time. There you go. Yummy.
I'm gonna go over there on my rock. Are you guys ready to order ice cream?
We're doing claps here. Thank you.
It's my ice cream.
Perfect.
a box for the chicken tenders and
Yeah, please.
Yeah, take your time. Thank you. Spoon? Yeah, because it's the only one we had. And these are chocolate with peanut butter. Wow.
I have to take these off.
Yes.
Can I take these off?
Which one? You don't like this?
Yeah.
No? No cherry. Okay. All right. What else don't you like? But this is chocolate. You like chocolate? No?
And let's go take it out.
Close it. Don't do it too hard. Go ahead, close it. All right, good job. We just got done reading the books, right? 2 books we read.
Right.
Now we're going to go to bed. And we're going to be really, really quiet. Where are you going? You silly. Gone the wrong way. Now remember, we have to keep quiet because we don't want to wake up Emmett, right?
Right.
All right. Shh, be very, very quiet. Let me turn this light off. Wait a minute. Turn this on here. Turn this off. Okay. You know where you're gonna lay, right next to my bed. Okay. You get inside the bed. Go ahead. Lay down. Okay. Okay. Good night. Hello. Hello, Jackson's brother. Isn't it? There's your buddy, your brother. Yeah.
He got it. He just dropped it.
Drop your binky, little boy.
He's so silly. He's so silly.
Hmm?
He asked me to find it for him. And Emma asked me to find it for him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey. YouTuber's in there.
What, honey?
YouTuber's in my ear.
Is it good? Jackson likes them. Yeah. Your brother likes them. Look at him eating his. He's done already. You ate that already? You must have been really hungry. Is it good?
Yeah.
Should Emmett like it too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I may get one more.
Okay, do you want some more, Emmett? Well, you finish that first. Then I'll get you some more.
And I don't know. I don't know how other moving. I just don't know other one. I can open these for me.
Sure. Here we
What
go.
is that? What?
Open up.
And
Open up. Yeah. What's Jackson eating over here? What do you call them? Are they good?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't fall for them.
All right. Open up, kid.
I just sent them over. I don't fall for these.
You got French fries and chicken too. Don't forget.
Yeah, I have these when I don't have the rest of these.
Okay, you had oranges there earlier. Okay.
I just go and get down.
Where are you going?
I'm thirsty.
Are you thirsty? Want some milk? How about some milk? Is that okay?
I just don't.
I have some cold milk for you.
I just don't have this cup.
That cup? Okay.
I don't have this cup.
You want me to put it in that cup?
No, I don't have this cup.
Peanut butter crackers?
Yeah.
And milk? Cold milk. Hello.
So,
Okay, that's happening. Okay, what's happening? Is there going to be a fire rescue? Out of the firehouse? Let me see. Where's the fire truck? There it is. Uh-oh, there's a fire. There's a fire. Get the truck out of the firehouse.
I did.
Take it to the fire.
Right here.
Okay, and where's the fire? Is it at the house?
Yeah.
How does it go again? How's the fire truck go?
Wee-oo.
Okay. Wee-oo.
Yeah,
Put the fire out. Put the fire out.
I did.
We need the fireman to help. Where's the fireman?
The fireman needs to get the board down.
Okay.
That means,
Is he helping?
yeah.
All right. He rescued the person. Very good. He's a hero. Yeah. The fireman saved the day, right?
Then you have to back down.
he have to back up? Can he fit? Yeah, he fit. Let's see what the firehouse looks like here. Wow, it's a nice house, huh? Yeah.
Wait, we need a roof. We need a roof so we can be safe on the way. Okay? We need a roof. See if it.
Can it back up into the firehouse?
Let's see where it fits.
Put it in? Yeah. All right, good.
I'm going fast.
You are. Faster.
So dizzy. So dizzy.
Try this one first.
Okay. This one's dirty and this one's dirty.
Okay, well, that's okay.
They're both dirty. I don't want it to be dirty too. Got that side. I gotta go.
Yeah, this is clean.
I see here.
This is clean. Okay. Try this one.
This one's not dirty.
Okay.
Right?
Right. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
I can go on that one.
okay. I go in that one. You got to climb that one, huh?
I have to climb on. I got it.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Almost, almost. One more. Yeah, you made it.
I can go down this way.
Okay. Mark, get set, go.
It's dirty.
It's all right.
I don't want it to be dirty.
I don't want it to be dirty either, but it is. It's just pieces of wood, that's all. Little chips of wood. It's not dirt.
I'm gonna come back down.
All right, well, come on down. Come down a sliding board.
No. I gotta go down. I gotta come down with these. I think I can make it.
All right, I hope so. Hold tight with your hands.
Yes.
Whoa.
Oh, these are both go on.
Okay, can you get up there? Can you get up? All right.
Yeah.
Ready? Wow, this one goes really high.
Yeah. I can bounce me. I can bounce me. See? See? I can real high. That's enough high.
All right, let me see if you can do it by yourself too. Go ahead. Faster, faster.
And super strawberries.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put it right here.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
That's it.
You did it. All right.